In this video, we show how to replace Riser Blank 3 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove Riser Blank 3 with the cover removed, loosen the 4 captive screws, holding it in place, and then lift it out of the system. To install Riser Blank 3, lower it into the system, then tighten the 4 captive screws to secure it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.